my channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and do a reaction, and it's a Kurdish reaction. Some of you request this, so I want to see what it is. I'm excited, so let's go. Always remember, my son, that your home is where your heart is. So I believe it's Kurdistan, you know? Take Me Home. Dine featuring Danish Murad. Kobero, Kobero. I love that song, okay? What is going on? Might be a story or something, I don't know. Oh wow. Oh, he sings good. Oh wow, he sings good. Oh, it's already okay. It's already giving me like a happy moment, so I'm down with this. I like the song. Oh, it's in English and in Kurdish? Okay. Okay. I don't remember this guy, and if I did, I'm sorry. I don't remember him. Okay. Okay, yes, he's good. He's really good. Okay, who is this girl? Maybe he's Lidine, I don't know. It's happy, it's I feel happy, you know? Take me home. Take me home. So that means let me lend it up. Takes me home. So that's what it means. Take me home. Let me lend it up. Oh, I am so sorry. Oh. Oh, this song is good. I like this song. I just wanna like dance and be happy, you know. That's how I feel. Oh, this man is good. Oh my gosh, I thought it's two. I thought it was just only one. It's two. They look similar. Are they twins? I don't know. Let's make a sound. Let's get out of town. Okay. I like this song, guys. It's really nice. Okay. Okay, yes. She sings also pretty. I like her too. Oh, I wanna know, just take me home. Let me data. I like that word. Let me data. I like that. Oh, let me oh, I like that. I really like that. Take me home. Take me home. Take me home. Let me data. I enjoy this song. It's really pretty. I just feel very happy, you know. I don't understand, but I go by what my heart feels, what makes me feel, you know. That's how I process music. How does the music make me feel? And I feel happy. So for me, it's a bop. I like it. Yes, take me home. Take me home. Take me home. Yes. That man, the old man, he's really good. He's good. Oh wow. Oh wow, what he's crying. I don't know what happened, but it was good. And then he started crying. I don't know what happened, but I like it. I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I don't know what happened. Somebody died. Did you mean that? Oh, I don't know what happened. Is the old man die? I don't know. I don't know what happened, and I thought it was happy song, and then he died, and I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. Somebody explain to me, because I thought it was happy, like he wants to go back home, but then the man was crying, and I feel like he died. I don't know. I don't know.